Reset soon. Chia seeds. Add 2 or 1 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add 3 tablespoons of honey. Leave for 50 minutes or more to let the chia seeds balloon. Carrot. Add 4 tablespoons of carrot juice. Leave for 35 minutes or more, let the chia seeds balloon or blend. The fixings. Dried grapes, raisins. Add 4 or 3 tablespoons of dried grapes, raisins. How to utilize this chia seeds, carrot juice, honey and raisins recipe. Eat each prior night suppers for 5 to 15 days. Chia seeds benefits. Know them. In the accompanying article, we will discuss the most significant and most unmistakable advantages of conceivable chia seeds, while referencing another data. In the accompanying article, we will talk about the main advantages of chia seeds. Chia seeds benefits. There are many advantages of chia seeds, and here we will make reference to a gathering of these chia seeds helps that you ought to be aware. 1. It is wealthy in supplements. Chia seeds are wealthy in numerous valuable supplements, for example, omega-3 acids, sugars, proteins, dietary fiber, as well as calcium, and cell reinforcements. 2. May help satiety. This desert plant might be utilized as a compelling method for controlling yearning and keep an eating regimen, and chia seeds have a taste that everybody likes and taste a little near the flavor of pecan, so they can undoubtedly be added to food varieties and beverages, and they can be blended in with morning oats, sauces and vegetables, rice dishes, yogurt and even treats, and the seeds can be eaten in their regular structure or ground. 3. May assist with getting thinner. It is in many cases said that chia seed can help in weight reduction, since it causes you to feel endlessly full, and assuming you eat modest quantities of it, you might get in shape. 4. May assist with diminishing craving. Eating chia with different food sources might increment glucose level around 1 hour subsequent to eating a supper, and hence the drop in glucose in the wake of eating a feast is less serious, so it is feasible to say that eating chia seeds diminishes the sensation of craving. Sustenance specialists likewise prescribe eating chia as a choice to white bread, since it has a place with the entire grain family that lessens coronary illness, and the suggested day-to-day portion of chia seeds is around 20 grams, as chia seeds contain moderately a lot of cell reinforcements contrasted with grains other full. The supplement content of chia seeds is a rich wellspring of fiber. Chia seeds contain 2 kinds of dietary fiber, solvent fiber lessens blood cholesterol and direct glucose, and insoluble fiber is significant for the soundness of the stomach-related framework. Also, it forestalls clogging, as it is prescribed to eat fiber at 25 grams each day for ladies from 19 to 50 years of age, and 38 grams each day for men from 19 to 50 years of age, and it ought to be noticed that adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to the eating routine assists with arriving at some adequate fiber each day. Rich wellspring of useful unsaturated fats. Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health expressed that chia seeds to a great extent contain linoleic corrosive and alpha-linolenic corrosive, which are utilized to deliver other omega-3 unsaturated fats and other helpful fats, for example, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA. Rich wellspring of minerals and nutrients. Chia seeds contain a lot of minerals, and a modest quantity of nutrients, and the most significant of these minerals are the accompanying manganese. It is a fundamental mineral for digestion, development, and improvement, and manganese is tracked down in overflow in entire grains and seeds. Phosphorus. It adds to bone well-being and tissue conservation, and it ought to be noticed that phosphorus is normally tracked down in food varieties wealthy in protein. Copper. Which is a significant mineral for heart well-being, and it ought to be noticed that the Western eating routine needs copper. Selenium. It is a significant cancer prevention agent and adds to many cycles in the body. Iron. It is one of the parts of hemoglobin in red platelets, as it takes part in moving oxygen to the whole body, and its retention from chia seeds might be minimal because of the Way that it contains phytic corrosive. Magnesium. It assumes a significant part in many cycles in the body, and the Western eating routine frequently misses the mark on component. Calcium. Where it is the most plentiful mineral in the body, it is significant for the strength of bones, muscles, and nerves.